Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. Our phone number here is 352-694-1234. And I'm highlighting this recent arrival. It's a 2014 Infiniti. It's a big full-size luxury SUV from Infiniti. This one has plenty of Carfax maintenance records. It's just arrived. Has the smoke-free cabin, entertainment in the back, sunroof, very nice leather carpet. It's all in fantastic condition. Probably a $75,000 SUV. Heated seats, navigation. Nice SUV. Just arrived. I think the market price is $25,900. I'm going to have this thing on a new arrival special for any moms out there looking for something different for the car line. Business person traveling down the roads that wants a nicer office to get back and forth from, show real estate customers. $23,900. This is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales, 352-694-1234. Hope you're having a great day. I've got this and many others at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. Talk to you soon.